guys, as you can see, we're getting blinded by the sun. We're in the middle of a heat wave. It's been like, I think we have 20 days of 100 degrees. We're not even halfway through yet. It's like there's no end in sight on the weather map. It's 100 plus degrees every day. So we're just trying to stay cool. So we're going to a Mexican restaurant. My buddy Mike, who's going to be joining us, he picked it out. He's the one who we did the flat tire diner together. He says he knows it's good because the Hispanics go there. And if the Hispanics go there for Mexican food, you know it's the real deal. He says it's authentic. It used to only be pictures. There was nothing in English. I believe they've come a long way since then. But he absolutely, I'm like, when do you want to go? He's like, when don't I want to go? I love this place. So I'm going to try to find my new favorite item, the birria tacos. If not, I'll just find something else. But I'm going to see if they have that.
What's the name of the place?
It's called Taqueria Vallarta. Taqueria Vallarta. That's it. Little hole in the wall, guys. Okay, when I said it was a hole in the wall, I truly meant a little hole in the wall. These are some of the best places. So we're going to squeeze in and see what we can get. Okay, so this is a good sign. They've got the green and the red sauce. They've got my favorite is this Valentina I love, and then we got the green stuff too. Okay guys, so the menu's on a whiteboard. I just want to let you know they do have birria tacos, so I'm gonna be getting that. What are you getting, Tammy? I mean, like, what are molitas? Like, it looks like, I guess that's molitas. I don't know what molitas is. Or I know what torta cubana is. That's a sandwich. Probably a Cuban sandwich. Camarones, Tito, what do they got? Everything's written in Spanish. I love it.
Oh, I will. Don't worry.
Okay, so those don't get any more homemade looking than that. Those are beautiful. They really are. They look like, I mean, they're not even like overly cooked or browned out or nothing. They're beautiful golden.
Yep.
They just look great. And then look at this, guys. This is the first time on the show I've had salsa that looks like that ever. That's crazy.
I don't eat it, he does.
That's crazy.
It doesn't work on my stomach.
I'll let you decide if it's hot.
No.
Come on, honey.
No, he can decide.
All right,
I'm not the
all
hot
right,
person.
hold on.
Look here, dude.
Is it warm?
That's really good. Okay, you gotta tell me. You literally didn't order? Are you serious?
Right.
You didn't order. Can we explain to everybody how that works, guys? How does that work?
I walk in and I say, okay, I want food.
You want food, and they just bring you food?
Yeah.
And wait, and that's what you got.
Yeah.
Do I want to ask what that is?
Well, you can ask. I don't have a clue.
My first guess, I don't know what a noodle looks like, but I would guess in some form of, I don't know. I have no idea. Wow, it smells really good though. I can smell it over here. So what do you think?
It's good.
You gonna ask her? She's right there. Ask
What
her.
is it?
Carne en su jugo, a ver, dile.
All right, beef with onions and green sauce, but a soup. Muchas gracias.
Thank you.
Okay, that's oh, okay, that's what makes it great. Why did you leave with that then? That's the best
What
part.
did she say?
And bacon.
She said it has bacon in it too.
Oh,
That's like the best. What is that? Oh, you're putting chips in it. Okay, I just was reminded by Tammy, thank you. I ordered chili verde. Looks beautiful. Nice, big plate. Huge. And what did you order?
Chicken and shrimp quesadilla.
That's beautiful. That looks good. And what did you order?
I had the same thing.
Okay, I'm just stopping the video right now to interrupt it, but they make their own sour cream there. They make their own sour cream. All the years I've done Mexican restaurants, never have I heard that, ever.
Really?
Never. That is amazing. That is so
If it's
authentic.
not in a bottle like that, they make it.
Wow.
They make this.
They make the salsa too. Wow. That's
And it
amazing.
depends on if they got good guacamole. And
Way
you want-
authentic.
This is sour cream.
That's beautiful. And it's even yellow looking. So you know it's authentic. Let's see, let's try. Am I at their house? Because I feel like I'm at somebody's house. That is so good. Wow. Okay, that is the homemade sour cream. That is amazing looking. That looks beautiful. You know, because that's not the normal processed sour cream, because that's white.
Yeah.
This has a yellow tint to it. Looks good. How is it?
It's really good.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, shut up and leave her alone. She's eating.
All right, guys. So basically, I'm so confused because you remember I just filmed at Garcia's and I said that was the best Mexican food? Okay, Garcia's is close to where I live, so it's probably my go-to Mexican food. But this, to me, is the best I've ever had in the South. Not California, but in the South. These flavors were like grandma's flavors. The tortillas were homemade. The soup was homemade. Everything was homemade. The sour cream was homemade. Every flavor was amazing. I cannot say enough about this place. If you live in the Hermitage area, it's literally in the same strip mall as Flat Tire Diner. You guys remember when I reviewed that breakfast with Mike? Well, this is another one that Mike suggested. And he knows the home runs. It definitely is an A+. Everything was good. Everything was amazing. The family was amazing. I got to meet the family who owned it. I can't say enough about this place. If you live in this area, you got to try it and tell me what you think. The flavors are so amazing. Not out of a can, not been sitting around. It feels like it was just freshly made. So congratulations. Show them some love if you're in the area and let them know you saw it on the show. A+ the whole way. I love you guys. I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.